Okay, so today we are going to talk about summer and winter solstice quantum and how they are actually unique energetic opportunities to make really huge impact on personal level and on global consciousness. Cheer innovative. It's going to be like, we are going to talk about how to understand a summer solstice, how to understand connection, because they're like really connected, this like 21st of June and 21st of December, like how they are connected. And this is extremely important to understand that these are a huge energetical gates and opportunities at the same time and challenges at the same time. And also we are going to talk about like why Pluto and Jupiter is extremely important in this year and with these gates. Second, how to harmonize with this new ultra potent wave of energy. I don't know how it's in your universe, but I can tell you that I'm start seeing everywhere around me. I don't watch like TV a lot, but I'm still informed. And I can tell you that people are going like very psychotic, very in anxiety, very in splitting their consciousness and beliefs and their mind about things. And this is preparation, for December 21st. So it's very important to understand when you have a huge impact of this energy, no one will stay the same. And if we do this very consciously and we recognize like what is going on global level and on personal level, we can actually make our personal plan for 2020 awakening based on our own energies in our chart and based on these most significant alignments and transits happening on this summer solstice and winter solstice. So my plan is let's explore, and not just explore, but let's prepare together and make this second part of 2020 truly amazing. First, I want to tell you that 2020 is the butterfly year. So what does it mean? Every year has its energy. And 2020, if you think, I'm not going too much into animal spirit guides and into numbers, but I do want to connect because it's important for the story. So we have 2020. So 2 is obviously connected with the second sign of zodiac, which is Taurus. And it's connected with the energy of body, pleasure, Venus, money and finances, what is really valuable for me. And 0 is zero consciousness, it's God consciousness, is Pluto. It's nothing and everything. So we have like 2020, we have Venus, Pluto, Venus, Pluto. And if you look at symbolism of butterfly, it's Venus, Pluto, and Aquarius. So I would like to say, if we see that this year is like soul surfing through this year, is going through like Venus, Pluto, and we are going toward this Aquarian energy. So I also put these two pictures. Let's say that whatever you look, it could be something in health, it could be in your love affairs, it could be in your financial things, whatever. But primary things are happening in our consciousness, and it's reflecting on everything else outside. So why this bridge? What we are actually giving chance to do, because this vibration is changing really fast, we are giving opportunity to have more stability, more free time, and more being like deeply quiet and having ability to focus more. And one super important thing for this period is ability and even disability to move, to travel so much. So we need to stay where we are. So why is this important? From perception of energy astrology, Pluto is connected with the 10th chakra, which is the only chakra that is below you, that connects you with the planet Earth. And there is specific reason why you are in this particular time at specific place. So nothing is like by chance. Where you are is where you are. It is exactly where you are supposed to be. For many people, I suppose, they are in the country where they are born, but for some people, they just change location. So a location where you are in this particular time is extremely important. And it's important that you stay there during this transition. And because it gives you opportunity to calm down and to ground, so you can align the inner work and physiology work to happen. And it means that we are connecting with the star part of our nature, because we are star people who are living on the earth. This is the second picture. We are the star people who are living on the earth. Like even astrology is a star science. And we are awakening for that. So in order to happen that, we are adjusting our physiology. And we need to be more quiet and we need to ground. This is like 0 part. It's a Pluto part. We are grounding deeply with specific part of planet Earth, so we can actually allow this almost like a thunder, to go through our body and to change our physiology. Maybe you can think like even like thunder, when you have a thunder light, you need to ground that to the earth. Even if you think about ideas, let's think like what is the difference between someone like having Uranus and like being mad and crazy and nervous, and someone receiving that energy and come up with a great idea and come up with innovation, which is ultimate goal of this year. So we are all actually invited to adjust and adjust and adjust and change and adjust and change, like on deepest level of physiology, so we can actually handle this deep innovation. And innovation is like us, like we are going to invent ourselves again, like never before. And we need that because everything around us is going to be completely new. It's going to be very, very innovative. It's going to be like quantum, leap, not just like something horizontally more. It's not like we are going from 1 to 3. It's more like we are taking like a fast elevator and going to another level. So there is a part of us, you can call that aliens, you can call that your higher consciousness, you can call that universe or spirit or whatever it is, awakening, whatever is your language. Just take whatever suits you. It's all okay. But we are building bridge between that innovative state of our being, mind, and physiology from here. And this is like really allowing this adjustment.